Welcome back to the channel. I am working on the Miata Falcon, or the Falcon Miata, or Malacca, or whatever the hell you want to call it. And I am pretty much done with the shock tower. So, sorry, it's a lot of the same stuff, kinda. I mean, it's just a little rough, timing, tools, for Christ's sakes, I'm building this with like all Harbor Freight stuff these days now. Like this little guy here. It's kind of loud, but it works pretty good, and it's electric. So I don't have to use an 80-gallon compressor to grind down a little weld. But, update, I am still welding. I got one side pretty much done. Let me cut to that video, show you where we're at. So, a little update, grinding down my ugly welds. Have a little shadow on this so you can see them. Still ugly, but yes, let me patch that hole. And I start working on my shock tower. Still need to fill that guy in, but that's where we're at. So another update, a little bit more grinding, a little bit more self-etching primer. It's blending pretty well. Got this shock tower pretty much done. Just need a couple of touch-ups here and there. But there we go. It's in, solid. Made this end cap here to kind of look like this one. This one I'm going to bring out. Still debating about cutting this down or just plating it up to there, but I think I'll cut it down. But yeah, nothing little Bondo can't fix. On this side, it's all cut down. Yeah, the primer job's shit, but something's better than nothing. I got a couple pinholes here and there. There we go. If you're wondering if this is enough to hold it up, there's people who build 4x4 Miatas and it's just nothing. They cut it down to that, and that's it. But we are getting somewhere. Oh, and I bought one of these. I think I mentioned it actually works fairly decent. I've been able to get into the little nooks and crannies and to grind down the metal. Still got to fill in that shock tower to make it look like the other shock tower, but one side at a time. Yeah, I'm concentrating a lot on the front, but I just want to get this over with. I mean, like I said, I was almost done. I can still fit a shock tower brace of some sort if I make one. And then back to trying to fill the gaps. I think I showed you in a previous video, I did patch this one up. I should probably spray it. I still got to weld some more on it. And like I said, I'm going to trim this down, and cut that off, or maybe just finish boxing it in. And then I gotta get some of that cavity spray junk or whatever. So that's where we're at. Like I said, I'm trying to finish the one side. I still gotta box in this corner here and do something with the bumper mount down there. I think I'll just make some swooping arch thing or a straight triangle or something. Straight triangles are easier. But once again, we have a shock tower that's all in piece. Any rattling you hear is these stupid little clips. I don't know why it's so loud, but I guess from Onyx. But yeah, check it out. I mean, it's not perfect. That's what Bondo's for. As they say on Tested, let's hide the crimes with other stuff. So, Bondo, smooth the bay. I'll probably, fill in a couple more holes here and there. And then undercoating here to get rid of this damn rattle. And hide the rest of my welds. I'm not perfect, but thanks for watching, subscribing. Any questions, comments, post below. Take care, guys.